Ever had to correct someone or give tough feedback? It's tricky, right? You don't want to crush their spirit. Dale Carnegie had some amazing advice on this. Always let the other person save face. Think about it. We spend so much time thinking about what we're going to say, but we rarely consider how the other person will feel. A few thoughtful words, a genuine understanding of their perspective, can make all the difference. Criticizing someone in front of others or pointing out their mistakes without any consideration for their pride, that just creates resentment. But when you allow someone to maintain their dignity, even when they're wrong, you're not just being kind, you're being a true leader. You build loyalty and create an environment where people feel safe enough to grow. So next time, remember, a person's pride is precious. Help them save it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights.